Hello children, today in this video we are going to start with our new exercise 14.1, construct the angles equal to following angles. So first question, this is given to you, how to construct the same angle which is given to you. Now for this you want one compass and pencil and scale also. We will open our compass and we will draw an arc over here children. Like this I have drawn the arc. Then from here to here we will cut it from here. We will cut this one. We keep the pointer over here and we will cut this one. Next children, again draw a line over here. We will draw a line over here of any size. We will draw an arc similar to that. We have drawn the arc. From here we will cut this arc. And from here we will draw the line segment. And this is your required angle which they have asked you. It will be MOM. Second question is construct the following angles using the ruler and compass. First is 60 degree. So draw a line segment. After this, draw an arc over here. Here I will draw the arc. Without moving this compass, we have to draw this arc children. And then from this arc where it is cutting, we have to draw a line. So this is your required 60 degree angle. Next is 45. 45 is half of 90. So we have to draw 90 degree angle for this first of all. We will draw a line segment. We will draw an arc over here like this. On the arc, we will draw a 60 degree angle. And then from 60, we will draw 120 degree angle. Again, compass pointer is on 60 and we will draw the arc over here. Then compass pointer on 120, we will cut this arc. So this is your 90 degree angle children. Now half of 90, how to draw? We will keep the pointer over here. We will cut this arc. We will keep the pointer on 90 degree and we will cut this previous arc. Here we have cut it. Now we will draw a line passing through this. So AOB is the required 45 degree angle. Next is 30 degree. 30 degree angle, we have to again draw a line. And 30 is half of 60. So first of all, we will draw a 60 degree angle over here. Here. And then this is your 60 degree angle. Keep the pointer over here only. Draw the arc for 30. And now keep the pointer on 60. And we will cut this arc. And draw the line passing through this. So this is your required 30 degree angle. It is again A, O and B. 120 degree angle is quite easy for you because we have done in the second part also. Draw a line segment of any length. Then draw an arc over here. We have drawn the arc. We have drawn the arc over here. Then first of all for 120 degree, 60 degree, then 60. This is your 120 degree. So this is your 120 degree angle. A, O and B. Next is 135 degree. For 135, 90 plus 45 is there. So it means we have to construct the 90 degree angle. So this is your 90 degree angle. Now see how I am going to construct the 135. Children, this is 180 degree. So we have to construct the half of 180 and 90 degree. That is 90 plus 45 na. So how to here from I will keep the pointer over here. This is the arc and keep the pointer on 180 and cut this arc. Now this is your 135 degree angle. A, O and P. Next is 105. 105 is again 90 plus 15. So it means 90 degree angle we have to construct. So I will construct a 90 degree angle now. This, no need to move your compass, 60, no need to move your compass again. This is of 90 and this is of 120 and this is of 90 degree. Now, this is the 90 degree angle. After 90 degree children, draw an arc keeping the pointer on 90 degree and draw and cut this arc keeping the pointer on 120 degree. And draw an arc from here. So this is your A, O and B. This is your 105 degree. For 70 degree, we have to again draw a line of any length. Draw 90 degree angle over here. Draw 90 degree angle. Then this 60 degree and we have to construct a 90 degree angle. This is 60 degree, this is 120, and this is the 90 degree angle. And from here to here we will draw a 75 degree angle, keeping the pointer on 60 and 90. A, O, B. This is your 75 degree angle. Question number 3, children. Draw a line segment AB of 5 centimeter. This we are drawing the line segment of 5 centimeter. This is your 5 and this is your 0. This is AB 5 centimeter. Then they have said construct the angle ABC 45. 45 we have constructed earlier also. First of all, which we have to construct? 90 degree we have to construct. So for 90 degree, it should be exact. Your compass should not move. My compass have moved, so I have erased it. Now we have to construct a 90 degree angle like this, and then it will be this one and this one. This is 90 degree angle. Then after 90 degree we have to draw 45. Keep the pointer over here. Keep the pointer over here. Now pointer over here. This is 45 degree angle. They have told you to draw angle ABC 45 degree angle. So this is your B, this is your A, and this is your C. No, I will take it as A, B and C. So this is 45 degree angle. Then draw the bisector of angle ABC. Bisector means half of angle ABC. How to draw the half? Draw an arc keeping the pointer at 0. Draw an arc keeping the pointer at 45. So this is the bisector. Bisector means half of it. So this is the bisector, which is 22.5 degree. Next, children, question number 4. Draw a line segment 6 centimeter. So draw line segment 6 centimeter over here. Here I have drawn the line 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter line. This is A and this is B. Now construct the perpendicular bisector of it. Perpendicular bisectors means it should be 90 degree and cutting in 2 equal halves. For perpendicular bisector, open your compass more than half of it. I have opened the compass more than half of it. I will draw an arc upside and downside both. Keep the pointer over here at A. Cut these both the arcs, this one and this one. Now draw a line passing through these 2 arcs. So MN is the required perpendicular bisector. Next, question number 5th. Draw line segment PQ 5.5 centimeter. So this we will draw a line segment 5.5 centimeter. This is 5.5 centimeter. P and Q. Mark a point M on PQ such that PM is equals to 2.5. So from here draw a line segment 2.5. This is 2.5 and this is point M. This is 2.5 and this whole is 5.5. Next, after this, draw perpendicular on PQ at M. Now at M we have to draw perpendicular. Perpendicular simply means a 90 degree angle we have to draw. So at M, draw a 90 degree angle. Pointer 60 degree angle, 120, and this is for 90 degree angle. And here we can draw a 90 degree angle. So this is the perpendicular on PQ at point M. This was your question number 5th. Last question. Draw line segment PQ is equal to 7 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter line. Now what they have told you? This is PQ. Afterwards, mark a point M on one side of PQ. Mark a point M on any side of PQ. Through point M, draw perpendicular on the line segment PQ. So very easy question, children. This you can do by yourself also. 90 degree angle we have to construct. 60, this is 120 and this is for 90 degree angle. So this is the required perpendicular at point M. Now children, you have to complete this construction in your notebooks. So thank you children.